Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to download your invoices from Wix for tax or record keeping purposes. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account using your email ID and password. Now go to the top right corner and click your profile icon here, this one, and then select account settings, this one, and here go to billing history, this one. From here, you can see all the purchased item you have already purchased, including the details like date, amounts, and payment methods. To download an invoice, click on the three dots next to the payment, then choose view. Here's the three dot, click on it, and you can see view or print. By doing this, the invoice will open in a new tab as a PDF. From here, just click the download icon or press Ctrl plus S to save it. You can do this for any payment listed in your billing history here. It's quick and works the same every time. And that's how you download invoices from Wix. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.